Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuraini Dian R. I'm from Mechanical Engineering, Institute Thechnology, Sepuluh Nopember. My student number is 021 and class is 015. This course is Algorithm and Computer Programming. This is my second project. In my second project, I make a program to solve the capacitor, the problem of capacitor. This is my PowerPoint. In my PowerPoint, this is about the project description. This is the chip parallel capacitor. I use this formula for capacitance. Formula is C equal epsilon 0 times A per D, where C is capacitance in farads, epsilon 0 is the absolute, not relative, and A the area of plate, and D is the distance between plates. This is D, and this is A, and this is the voltage. This is the full capacitor. I use this formula for my program. C equal 4 times P times epsilon 0 times R. I use this because this is the independent of the charge and the potential difference. This is R. And we move to formula total capacitance. This is the formulation of the total capacitance. I use the series is 1 per C total equal 1 per C1 plus 1 per C2 plus 1 per C3. And for parallel connection, I use C total equal C1 plus C2 plus C3. And this is the formula, the charge capacitor. I use this formula, Q equal C times V, where C is capacitance of capacitor, Q is the charge storage in capacitor, and V is voltage in capacitor. And then we move to my problem here. There are two features here. This is the chip's parallel capacitor, and this is the bulk capacitor. So we know that here the chip parallel have the area 4 meter square. This is 4 meter square. And the distance here is 1 meter, and for the ball is radius of the ball is 0.8 meter, and the voltage is the potential difference is 6 volt. In my program, we can find the capacitance of the full capacitor and the parallel chip, and then we can find the total capacitance of series circuit and the charge storage, and then we can find the total capacitance of parallel circuit and the charge storage. Let's move to my program. This is my program. First I write here is print hello, what is your name? You can put your name on the output. After that, the second I write here is welcome to our program, and your name, and then I print. This program is used to find the capacitance and charge in bulk capacitor and parallel chip mounted in series. This is print. I always use this program. Always use the small alphabet for reminder. First, I using loop is while true, and then I print how many problem will solve. You can put 1, 2, 3 or so on over here, and then I use loop for this. For I in range C, and then epsilon equal 8.85 times 10 power minus 12, and print insert the value of the radius block. Why I use float? Because if you take float over here, you can put any number here for decimal or integer 1, 2, 3 like that. And then I put print insert chip area value in meter square, and then insert the distance value from the pieces, and insert the value of potential difference that flow in faults. This is the formula of capacitance of ball, and this is the formula of capacitance of chip parallel. And after that, the program will print. Then the capacitance of ball capacitor is. This is the formula of this, and the capacitance of the parallel chip is the formula of these chips parallel, and this is the formula of series circuit, and this is formula of parallel circuit, and then this is the charge of series circuit, and this is charge of parallel circuit. I use def here. If I put the formula into the def, the program not defined, because if I put the formula into def, the formula just definition, not for calling for def. So I put the formula over here and def over here for calling the formulation. And then I print the total capacitance of circuit and the charge storage in circuit, and this is def space done. Why I use I+1? Because the range in Phyton is from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, so I put +1 over here. And then I print what is the type of circuit, and if the series write 1, if the parallel write 2. And then A equal integer input. Why I use integer? Because integer just write for number 1, 2, 3. If you want to use string, maybe you can write if the series write series, if the parallel write parallel, not 2 or 1, because the series just for the alphabet. So if you take 1, the program if will be run, and if you write 2, the program elif will run. And if you put neither 1 and 2, for the example is 3, the program else, the loop else will be run, and the program will be print error calculation. Okay, and for the last, you must take break over here for stopping all your program. And let's rerun the program. And first output here is, hello, what is your name? I will put Willie. Welcome to our program, Willie. This program is used to find the capacitance and charge in bulk capacitor and parallel chip mounted in series. And this is the reminder of this program always use small alphabet for reminder you to put any alphabet here. How many problems will be solved? I put 3. Insert the value of the radius. Oh yeah, because we have the problem in my PPT, so I will put my PPT over here. Insert the value of the radius ball. The value of radius is 0.8 meter. And insert the chip parallel value. The parallel value is chip area is 4 meter square. And insert the distance value from the pieces is 1 meter, and potential difference is 6 volt. And the first question is find the capacitance of the bulk capacitor and parallel chip. In this program, the capacitance of the bulk capacitor is 8.9 blah blah blah, and the capacitance of parallel circuits is 3.5 blah blah blah. And we move to number 2. If find the total capacitance of series circuit and the charge storage. The first is series. I will put 1 over here, and the result total capacitor is 2.5, and the charge storage is 1.5. And we move to B. And we must put the radius again, 0.8, and then 4 meter square, and the value pieces is 1 meter, and potential difference is 6. Number 2 is find the total capacitance of parallel. The parallel, if parallel, write 2. I will put 2 over here. And this is the total capacitance of parallel is 1.2. And this is the charge storage in circuit parallel 7.4. And the second calculation was done. And here I will put another number. I will, if the series write 1, if the parallel write 2, I will put 6 over here. Oh, error calculation. So this is just 2 choice for the program, just 1 or 2. If I put here 6, the program can run. The program say error calculation, and the third calculation was done. Thank you for using this program. Have a nice day. See you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.